Down in here there's another filter. And you can see dust down in here. And this should have carbon on it. See, there's dust on it right here. That means that there's been dust going through the motor. I'll even undo that screw there, so I can clean behind it. I'm going to take off the 4 screws that hold the body. Just slide it off from here. There. I can disconnect it right here. Let's see if all these screws are the same size. Then I won't have to put them back in. Yeah, those 4 and this one are the same, so. I'll back up the camera. Take these screws out. You don't want to wash the brush bar in water. You just want to cut the hairs and do the wire brush, because there's bearings in behind there. You don't want to get them wet because they're packed with grease already. I'll just put this aside. You can take this off. These 2 screws here are shorter, so I'll just put them right back in so I don't lose track of which screws went where. Just have to wiggle it out of there since it's been in there for so long. That'll come out. Wash that. You can disconnect this if you want. Make it easier to wash that. And these 2 short screws I'll put back in, so I don't lose track of where they go. And this is what you're left with. This can all get washed. One, two, three, 4. 4. Looks like 4 screws. After the 4 screws, you can just lift this off. See, there's dust. Dust in the motor. What you want to do is, you don't want to wash this in water, but you can blow this out with air. This ring can come off, vibration ring. Yeah, that screw's the same. Oh, there's a screw right here. same length. That comes off. That can get tossed in the water. And that's how they route the cord, so you don't pull it out, just one loop. There's one clip down there, just pry it this way. That little piece comes off, throw it in the water. There's the switch. And it goes in that way. I took off the screw that goes right there. And this should just slide out. Like that. There, at least we got that part off. That can go in the water now. So we got this and this left. Too bad they didn't make a passage there just to slide the wire out of. I guess I can pull the wire back enough so I can wash this in the water without touching the motor. Yeah. Because I don't want to really disconnect it. This little cap can come off and wash that. See, there's stuff even behind it. You can just wipe this off with water. And in here, you use Q-tips to clean that in there, the fins. A little bit of water on the Q-tips. That's if you don't have any air. See, I got the motor sitting there. I've got a rag down the hose, and I've got a long piece of steel rod. Just trying to clean the inside of the hose. And when you go to dry this, you have to extend it all the way, because the water will sit in between here and the flexes. So I just usually stretch it out over a tree or something, branch. Everything's drying, and that's how I did the hose. I stretched it out. Gonna cut the hair out of there. That's the hair I got off the brush bar. And then after that, just take the wire brush. And after you've finished all that, you can just take your damp cloth and just give it a wiping.